How to transfer money from Philippines to Malaysia on PC. Now, first of all, we will use Wise, and if you use the link below, you will benefit from zero fees for transfer up to £500. Now, first of all, open your Wise account and select your destination currency. In this case, it will be the Philippine peso. Now, after that, select your recipient currency. In this case, it will be the Malaysia ringgit currency. And here you can type how much you want to transfer. For example, 110,000, any amount that you want to transfer. And now click on send. After that, double check the amount that you want to transfer, for example this, and now here you will be able to see how much recipient you receive. Now click on pay with, and now select the bank e-wallet transfer. Now click on add recipient, and as you can see here, if you want to transfer that money to do it now bank account, you can click on it and select someone else. Now provide your email, it's optional, and now provide the full name, account number, as you can see. Now with that, do it now ID according to account type, and then click on continue, and after that your recipient will receive that money to their do it now account, as you can see. So after that, if you want to transfer that money to bank details, so you can click on bank details, select someone else, and now the email also, it's optional, and now provide the full name. Now bank name, as you can see, you can select it from here, account number according to that bank name you selected. Now click on continue, and after that your recipient will receive that money on their bank account. So this is how to transfer money from Philippines to Malaysia on PC. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe to the next video.